welcome to Fashion Trends. Subscribe to receive free and latest updates from our channel, friends. And remember to click the bell icon to receive more interesting videos from our channel, guys. Hello, wonderful friends. So today in our video, we are going to be seeing about trendy and fashion jewelry, guys. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about how can you use these beautiful and trendy jewelries, and I'm also going to be talking about what are the designs which you use. So without wasting a minute, let's go on this awesome cool video. If you're wearing a trendy and cool jewelry, as we all know, it's gonna be beautiful. There are a lot of materials we are using them, so I'm also gonna be talking about that. So sometimes they use clothing pieces which is gonna be giving you a great look, and it's also gonna be giving you an awesome look, guys. Use like beautiful and colorful clothing pieces, which is gonna be great. And some people love using coins made out of silver, or they love using silver pieces, which is gonna be great. And some people love using threads, which is also gonna be trendy and beautiful, guys. Talking about the designs we can use, you can try going on and with a great and cool design, or with some flowers or peacocks, which is great. Or some people love using threads or for the jewelry, which are made out of clothing pieces, which is also going to be great and cool. You can try including some of the pearl designs in them, which is going to be great. And you can try having a lot of threads, which are going to be colorful, so that you can give you a look of flawless. And it's also going to be trendy, guys. You can also include some of the gem pieces, which are going to be great, or mirror work pieces, which is going to be great and cool. Some of the people love inserting gems and chunky or even mirror work. So, hope you really enjoyed this video, guys. And if you really did, remember to subscribe to our channel and give us the other likes, so we can give you awesome videos to watch and enjoy, guys. And remember to share the video with all your friends and relatives. And watch our channel videos to be updated in fashion and to be the queen or princess of fashion.